Bail in California and Ventura County changed in 2022 because a case called Peeble versus Humphreys was ruled upon by the high courts. And what this case talks about is everyone has a right to bail they can afford in California. However, there are some things that also went with that case that now give the people, the prosecution, an advantage over you if you're accused of a serious crime. On the good side, if you're accused of a crime that doesn't involve violence or severe harm or potential of severe harm to another person, you should be entitled to bail as a matter of right. For example, in California, if you're on bail or if the bail amount is set for $20,000, typically a bail bondsman will bail you out for $2,000 you pay to them. If you actually have 20,000 real dollars to pay yourself, you can bring that to a cashier with a cashier's check to the front desk of the jail, and they'll take it from you. But if you miss one court date, they take your cash bail and you don't get it back. With a bail bond, while you lose the $2,000 or whatever it costs that you gave the bail bondsman, they can issue another bail bond for free to let you back into court and keep you out of custody if you don't show up. So bail has its advantages over paying cash bail. If you don't have the money to bail out immediately, one of the things that will happen is if charges are filed 2 days after your arrest, you'll appear before a judge. At that hearing, you can ask for a bail review. You get one chance for a bail review, and that's a chance to reduce the bail amount from whatever it's set at to a lower amount. Bail in California is typically set by a schedule. The judges in Ventura County will, every year or two, they will evaluate the levels of offense and decide whether robbery or drug sales or assault with a deadly weapon should have a certain bail amount, and they set that. The prosecution can ask for a higher bail, that's called a motion to increase bail, and we can ask for a lower bail. The factors that are looked at are whether or not you have a job, whether or not you've been a resident of the county for a long time, whether you're a resident of the U.S. in general, and other factors involving your criminal history and whether you failed to appear in the past.